Hojavi, have you studied?
Not even a word. I'm stressed out.
Me too. I'll definitely fail.
Bayat, are you ready for the exam?
Not at all. Last night my uncles and their family came to our house, and I couldn't even open my book.
Okay, girls. Put your backs between you and your friends. Be quiet. Start. You only have 1 hour. I'm going to check on your mustache, eyebrows, and nails, by the way.
Hojavi. Number two. Hojavi. Bayat. Number two, Bayat. Number two.
Sorry, Hadi, I couldn't help you. It was a catch-22 situation.
Silence. Okay. I'm gonna read your scores now. Hojavi, 20.
I believe I can fly.
Bayat, 19.5. Hadi Haq, 8.5. I think you're ready. So, start.
Hey Dad, I'm taking my geography exam and I can't find the answers from the book. Can you help me with my exam?
Why not, sweetie? Your daddy is a geography expert.
Okay, girls. Your exam results are perfect.
All of you, my sweet girls, got straight A's.
Your parents must be proud of you.